In this video I will show you how to create a mockup in Photoshop. Go to Select and choose Subject. Press Ctrl J to make a copy. Go to File and choose Place Embedded. Select this picture and click on Place. Down the opacity. Adjust the image. Opacity 100%. Alt press Create a clipping mask. Change the blending mode to multiply. Right-click and choose Blending option. Follow the process. Go to Adjustment Layer and choose Hue Saturation. Adjust the color. And before and after. Drag the copy this background layer. Now we will bring it to the front. Go to Filter and choose Camera Raw Filter. Exposure 0. Adjust the whiteness. Press OK. Change the blending option to screen. That's it. Hope you liked it. Please subscribe my YouTube channel for more tutorials.